Hi everybody. DeepSeek launched R1. ChatGPT launched Deep Research. Claude Sonnet launched Claude Sonnet 3.7 with an experimental or extended thinking model. And Qwen 2.5 became Qwen 2.5 Max with some thinking capabilities, with some deep research and a lot more. Today we are going to see how we can install Qwen 2.5, the basic version on Mac, while we wait for Alibaba to launch the Apache version, the open source version that we can install. And we'll also see how you can play around with Qwen on the web. Let's get right in. So if you just go to chat.qwen.ai and let's say you ask it to code something. Now, you can see that it does that pretty well. If you just turn on the thinking model now, and let's retry and see how it works. As you can see, we can now see the thinking tokens as well, which kind of improves the output a bit. Now, this is similar to what you have seen in a DeepSeek and also with ChatGPT, where you have the reason, and with Claude, which now has with extended thinking. And as you can see here, you can see some of the thinking tokens as well. Now let's go ahead and install it on your Mac OS. For now, I'm running a MacBook Air M2 with a 16 gigabytes of RAM. I'll go to my terminal, Olama, run, and I already have the Olama library open. Just have to go to Olama models and look for Qwen 2.5. Copy this command, paste it here. Wait for it to complete installation, which will take a little bit of time. Now, while this completes, you will notice that this isn't the Qwen 2.5 Max, since the thinking model was released just yesterday. And well, just keep an eye out on the models page. You might see the Qwen 2.5 Max within a couple of days here and be able to download it. Alright, we have Qwen 2.5 installed. And of course, this is going to be very basic. This is just a 7 billion parameter model. So I'm not going to test it out with heavy coding or anything as such, but it's just a fun way to play around with the local models. As you can see, it's pretty fast considering that we are running on a laptop. I guess the silicon chips handle these language models pretty well. Alright, so that was it from my side. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know if you need any, let me know if you have any other questions or any other tutorial requests, and I'll make them for you.